chicken, you know. Hold on, and I got some gloves. Yeah, man, you don't know, say gloves have to wear when you cut up the curry chicken and thing. Yeah, man, I'm not gonna really show you guys how I cook it because I actually own a restaurant and I don't want competitors to try to cook it the same way, you know. But me I will show now it's pretty when I done cook it still. So there I cut up some chicken, you know. Some boneless chicken. A boneless chicken where I deal with still. When I know the bone thing, you know, say traditionally Jamaican kind of deal with the bone thing, but right you know, yeah, just I deal with some boneless, you know, cause in the era when I there in America, them people here them go boneless chicken, you see me? So we give them what they want so the money can keep rolling in. Yeah, man. When I cut up boneless meat, them small about like this, you know. You don't really want them too big. Some delicacy thing. Yeah, man, so I go and cut this up a little later on and make you see how it look pretty, you understand? Keep it locked. Yeah, man, so right now I done cut up the meat and thing and season them up, so it's like right now just rubbing in the flavors, the seasonings and thing, you know? Rubbing in the seasonings. Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. So it look pretty already still, and I'm just drop it in. So now basically I'm just going to get ready for the rest of the course, you know. Just drop him in. Yes, peeps. This is the finished product right here, you know. Looks good. I usually put potatoes in it, but today I just put some carrots and some other little things. But this is how it looks, peeps. This is the finished product. Delicious, man, I'm telling you. The best. Boneless curry chicken.